Welcome to this full body practice you can do as part of your daily routine to help you stay mobile and strong. This class is for all levels. Let's get started in tabletop. We'll take a few rounds of cat and cow. On an inhale, drop the belly, gaze forward, cow pose. Exhale, cat, press the ground away, round spine. Inhale, cow, belly lowers, gaze up. Exhale, cat pose, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, belly drops, gaze forward. Exhale, cat, belly button to spine, shoulder blades pull apart. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Come back into a neutral tabletop. Bring your soles of feet together, knees wide, sit the hips back. Child's pose, forehead rests on ground, fingertips reach forward, getting a nice release in the lower back and stretch along the arms. Take a big breath in, fill up through the belly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale, release. Inhale, crawl it forwards back through tabletop and gently lower yourself all the way down to the ground. Feet out long behind you, arms down by your sides. Toes are untucked. On an inhale, locust. Lift your arms, your legs, your head, neck, and chest up and off the ground. Engage through the glutes. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Gaze down towards the mat. And feel your back body activate, holding you up in this back bend. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower all the way back down onto your pillow hands. Forehead rest down onto your hands. Bend at the knees. Drop your feet from left to right. Windshield wiper out the legs. Release any tension from your low spine. Extend your legs out long behind you, arms down by your side. Bigger breath, fill up. Inhale to lift into locust, head, neck, feet, arms, and shoulders lift up and off the ground. Engage through the glutes, shoulder blades pull together, soft gaze down. Inhale to lift a little higher. Exhale, release. Forehead down onto your pillow hands. Bend at the knees, windshield wiper out the legs. Drop your feet from left to right. And extend your feet back behind you. Tuck the back toes, shoulders plant. Hands plant underneath the shoulders. Press yourself up into a tabletop position. Downward facing dog. Send the hips back. Keep a generous bend in your knees as you pedal out your feet here. Bend one knee, straighten the other. Wag out your tail. Wide palms press into the ground to help you find a length and stretch in your backside body. Release your head, let it hang heavy. Shake out your head. Yes, no, yes, no. When you're ready, we'll meet in some stillness in our downward facing dog. We'll take a big breath in, come up onto your tiptoes. Exhale, open mouth, sigh, heels sink heavy. One more like this. Inhale to come up to tiptoes. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg out and back behind you, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step your foot in between the hands. Rise up into a high lunge, arms frame your face. Exhale, cactus your arms. Baby back bend, shoulder blades come together, open up through the heart. Inhale, arms sweep up and overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center, twist left. Inhale to come back to center. And spin your right heel down to the ground. Heel toe your left foot out towards the left side of your mat. Straighten your front leg. Pyramid pose. Bring your hands to your hips. Crown reaches up towards the sky. Long spine. Hinge at the hips. Lead with your heart. Fold forward over the legs. Hands can come to blocks or the ground. Feel into all of the different sensations in your left leg. We'll take an inhale together. Exhale, release. Wide-legged forward fold. Spin your left toes towards the right side, long edge of the mat. Wide stance here. Fold over your legs in your wide-legged forward fold. We'll find a couple of twists. Right hand plants down to ground. Left arm reaches up towards the sky. And switch it out a few times. Left palm down, right hand reaches up. Take a few rounds at your own pace. We'll meet back in center, hands underneath shoulders. Spin your toes out, heels come in, rise up into a goddess shape. Cactus the arms, knees tracking over the toes. Draw the ribs in, engage through the glutes. Inhale, star pose, arms straight, legs straight. Exhale, goddess, lower down. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, come back into a star pose. Bring your arms up overhead. Spin towards front of mat. Come back up into a high lunge. Front knee bending, right leg out long. Take a look up towards top of mat. Take a big step forward, chair pose. Take a peek down at your toes to make sure you can still see them. If you can't, go ahead and bring your knees back a tiny bit. Lower the hips down a tiny bit. Ribs draw in, gaze down towards mat. And exhale, fold over the legs. Keep a generous bend in your knees. Take a wide stance, ragdoll. Grab for opposite elbows. Sway from side to side. Let your head hang heavy. It's releasing out the lower spine here. Nice work. On an inhale, hands come to your shins. Halfway lift. Crown reaches towards front of room. Long spine. Exhale, fold. Plant your hands down to mat. Step back, plank pose. And downward facing dog, hips up towards sky. Inhale, right leg out and back, three-legged dog. Exhale, step your foot in between the hands. Rise up, high lunge, arms frame your face. Exhale, cactus the arms, draw the shoulder blades together. Heart shines forward, baby back bend. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, hands come to heart center, twist right. Inhale to come back to center. Spin your left heel down to the ground. Heel toe your right foot towards the right side of your mat. Straighten your front leg, pyramid pose. Hands come to hips. Crown reaches up tall to find a long spine. Hinge at hips, lead with heart. Fold forward over the legs. Hands can come to blocks or the ground. And fold forward, breathing into any of the stretching sensations in your right leg. Big breath in together. Exhale out. Once more like this, big breath in, fill up. Exhale, release. Wide-legged forward fold. Crawl your hands to the left long edge of the mat. Right toes spin towards the left side. And fold forward in your wide-legged forward fold. Goddess pose, bring your toes out, heels in. Rise up into your goddess, cactus arms, ribs draw in. Engage through the thighs here. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, star, reach tall. Exhale, sit it down. Inhale, star pose. And arms frame your face. Spin towards the front of your mat. High lunge, right knee bending. Exhale, palms frame your front foot. Step it back into a plank pose. Send the hips back, downward facing dog. Inhale to come up to your tiptoes. Exhale, take baby steps up towards top of mat. Wide stance with the feet, heel toe out your feet. Keep a generous bend in your knees, ragdoll pose, grab for opposite elbows, sway from side to side, and release the head, letting it hang heavy. Shake it out. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward over the legs. Bend your knees a lot, so much so that your booty comes down to the ground. Take a seat, and we'll lie back on our mats. Soles of feet pressing into ground. Knees are bent. We'll take bridge pose. On an inhale, heels ground down. Lift the hips up. Bring the knees a tiny bit closer together. Feel your inner thighs and your glutes activate here. Draw the ribs in. Press through the shoulders. Lift a little higher. Exhale, slowly release all the way down to ground. And windshield wiper out the legs. Drop your knees from left to right. And come back to center. Heels press into ground. Inhale, lift the hips up and off the ground. Shoulder blades, shoulders press down into ground. Scooch the shoulder blades in closer together to lift a little higher. Knees come a little closer together. Feel the inner thighs and glutes activate. Belly button to spine. Lift a little higher. Exhale, slowly lower all the way down, hips down. Windshield wiper out the legs. Drop your knees from left to right. And bring your knees back to center. Shift your hips over to the left 1 inch and place them back down to ground. Drop your knees over to the right side, supine twist. If it feels comfortable for the neck, send your gaze past your left shoulder. Take a big breath in, fill up through the belly. Exhale, release. Let your left shoulder sink even more down. Knees come back to center. Shift your hips over to the right 1 inch. Drop your knees over to the left. If it feels okay for the neck, send your gaze past your right shoulder. Take a big breath in. Exhale out. Knees come back to center. Happy baby. Bend the knees, soles of feet point up. Grab for bottoms of feet, your calves or thighs. Lower spine comes all the way to the ground, and we'll rock back and forth, left to right, gently massaging out our lower spine. Can extend your right leg out long, left knee bends. Get a nice stretch in the right leg. Bend your right knee, left leg out long. Get a nice stretch in the left leg. Switch out a few times at your own pace if this feels good for you. When you're ready, you can rock across the length of your spine. Build a bit of momentum. Bring yourself up into a seated position or push yourself up with the strength of your hands. Find a comfortable, easy seat, legs crisscrossed or kneeling over the legs, whichever is feeling good in your body today. On an inhale, we'll sweep our arms up overhead. Exhale, twist right. Right hand behind, left hand in front. Inhale to sweep the arms up. Exhale, twist left, right arm in front, left hand behind. Inhale to sweep the arms up. Right hand plants, left hand reaches towards right. Get a nice side stretch on your left side body. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, left hand plants, right arm reaches towards the left side. Get a nice side stretch on your right side. Inhale, both arms overhead. And exhale, hands come through heart center. Hands rest anywhere comfortable along the legs. Sit up tall, shoulders stacked over the wrists. Crown reaches up tall, long spine. Send a soft gaze down the tip of your nose. Close the eyes if it feels comfortable. We'll take 3 rounds of breath together to close out our practice. First, exhale all the air out of your mouth. Take a big breath in, fill up through your belly. Exhale, release. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale, sigh. Last one, biggest breath yet of the day. Exhale, release. Take a moment to check in with how you're feeling in your body after some intentional breath and movement. Great work today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy. See you in the next class.